I absolutely loved last year's Gear S3 Frontier. One of the major complaints I heard on a regular basis was that it was too big. We now have the Samsung Gear Sport that brings Tizen 3.0 with a smaller form factor more acceptable to the masses. In addition to the updated hardware, Samsung brings enterprise-friendly capability with a native PowerPoint controller, web app support designed to encourage more application development, improved Wi-Fi infrastructure support, and Knox configure. Companies have the capability to provide custom app solutions on the Gear Sport, which can be used to support various programs. For example, United Healthcare launched an incentive-based wellness program where Samsung wearables track and encourage daily walking goals. Users who achieve the goals can earn up to $1,000 a year for out-of-pocket medical expenses. Using wearables to encourage healthy living and rewarding people is exactly what I envision as a way to expand the use of wearables and help us reduce medical expenses while also helping people live more productive and happy lives. The Gear Sport is attached to the large strap in the box, but there is also a small strap included. The retail package includes the wireless charging dock and a travel adapter. You can purchase the Gear Sport in blue or black color too. The Gear Sport is several millimeters smaller, 1.3 millimeters thinner too, than the Gear S3 Frontier and 13 grams lighter. It is bigger and heavier than a 42mm Apple Watch while also having a more traditional round display. The stainless steel construction is excellent. The rotating bezel is smooth and a key to optimizing the Tizen user interface. The standard 20mm straps are attached with quick release pins so you can easily swap out bands to match your attire or activity.